Meal prep made easy. Welcome to Reinvent Yourself Healthy and Happy. I'm Tanya Phillips, your educator and coach. Have leftovers from dinner? Try making leftover salads in a jar. Then you have your lunches ready for the rest of the week. Chop up your leftovers from the dinner and grab some recycled jars. You can always use new ones, but I prefer to save the earth and use the old ones. Then take some other vegetables or toppings that you enjoy on your salad and chop those up too. Take about 2 ounces of salad dressing and fill it to the bottom of the jar. Basically, I just make sure that the whole bottom is covered. I don't really measure this up. Then place the heavier and watery or wetter ingredients towards the bottom. So, for example, I have the salad dressing at the very bottom. Then I have the chicken, the tomatoes, the corn, the asparagus, the onions, anything that's heavier or wetter, I put towards the bottom of the jar and then cram in as much of your favorite greens as you'd like spinach or lettuce, whatever your preference. That's it. So simple, so easy, and also very cost effective.